Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1309th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. This video coming to you on a Wednesday night for trading Thursday, April 16th, 2015. Traders, we know that futures trading is extremely risky, causes substantial financial loss, is certainly not suitable for all traders, and basically is for us lunatics that don't mind a little bit of abuse in our morning routines. Because, boy, is it abusive trading these days, right? Futures trading is not for everybody. Please know that. And let me show you my technical opinion of what's going on. Exactly 1 week ago, on Thursday, 1 week ago, I did a video just like this one, and I showed you what I called a double top that had worked, and we were right here on this day, and I said, look, now it's going to head up for something that people call a triple top, and that's where we should go next, and we were on this day on the 9th. So we've got a green OMNI now for trading on the 16th. I'm going to show you what has happened since the 9th. Watch this. Very interesting. Since the 9th, we went up, 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 down a little bit, up, up, just about hit that triple, and we will go there on Thursday. Bravo for technical analysis, right? You can't just make this stuff up. There's no way I could have made that call off the top of my head. It was calculated off of this flag and the fact that we were going back for another top, and boom, we went there. Good information. So that's on your daily Emini S&P. And I showed you the same video, or 2 nights ago actually, in another video. I showed you this chart again, and I'm going to show you the Emini S&P, which we seen in a video just 2 nights ago as well. So let's look at that. And here you are. We seen the weekly chart 1 week ago, last Thursday, and I showed you this chart in the video that we used, the last video that we did. And I said we'd be going higher, and higher is where this is going. Will a triple top come? I don't think that's what's coming next. We'll discuss it when we get there. But on the 9th, we were down here. And now, boom, 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 we are on our way. And it looks like Thursday is going to be a nice, strong day towards the upside in your NASDAQ. So for trading on Thursday the 16th, based on the analysis I showed you on the 9th, and again 2 nights ago, we're doing well with our calls. We are expecting the market to move higher. Granted, today we missed buying the low in S&P and NASDAQ by literally a single point. I happen to be off point at the moment. I fell asleep, a rare occasion for me, and us OMNI didn't get in down here. We had a nice run, but we will get in on tonight's run, and we'll make it higher. That's what it looks like with our green OMNI. So those are the dailies. Now, we're going to go back to the 9th. Once again, the look that we had on the 9th, and I'm going to show you why. Let's move back to an S&P chart, or the Emini S&P, I should say. And then let's go out to a weekly. Watch this. This very same chart you have seen in many videos. It's our chart masterpiece. And I basically showed you in the last video. Go back to March 9th, last Thursday, March 9th. You will see this exact video. And I said what happened here is that we had a couple of weeks down leading into April. March limped into April. And then we went up and created one of those infamous Oscar's F flags. And I contended that this is exactly that. March limped into April. The same look right here. And I have to tell you that I expected this to happen, and I put in these fictitious bars. Are you with me? You were there to watch this as I put these phony bars in and said they should fill in. Look at what happened. I'm going to remove the first fictitious bar. Boom! We went up for the flagpole just like this one. We're putting in the first week just like this one. I mean, bravo for technical analysis, right? That's almost impossible to do. I drew these green lines. Nothing was there. I put these fake red bars in and said this is what fills in next. The first week since I told you that, and this is what filled in. My goodness, that's fantastic. Then, of course, you add the average in, and let's do that. We add the average in that I've been showing you in this video on Chart Masterpiece, and watch what that looks like. We add the average in right at the bottom of the flagpole, hold number 10. runs up, makes the flagpole, and puts the exact week in that I proclaimed was coming this week. Bravo, bravo, bravo. You cannot do this without the art of technical analysis. If you like the analysis I present to you in these videos, come on down to livewithoscar.com. Come into my free chat room. Let me write that. I have a free trading chat room where I will help you understand these markets the same way I do. I will teach you the analysis. I will teach you how to behave during the day when you're in a trade. I will show these to you. I will not charge you for that because the chat room is free. There is a level that you can upgrade to, of course, where I would send you out recommendations, but one step at a time. Let's get you to livewithoscar.com, get you into our free chat room, and allow me to help you understand the Omni and understand why I can draw in something a week before it happens and with very high accuracy be right on many, many occasions like this one. But we're not finished. In this same video, I also showed you the NASDAQ chart. Go look at the video for April 9th and you will see these very same charts. Here's your NASDAQ weekly chart. I put this before you. This, it looked like this, and I said, my goodness, we're holding. In fact, this bar was much lower. Here is where it was, somewhere right about here. Well, it didn't take. My apologies. Just give me one more moment to try to do that again. The high was 43.10, and let's just fix this to where it was on that day, or at least close to it, just to get the view. And we were about here. I showed this to you and I said, look, that's got to be a hold. Here we go again. In fact, the words here we go again were written right here. And I showed this to you and I said it worked here. In the flag, the blue flag, we hit the average and we hit the bottom of the blue flag and took off. And I said, here we go again at the average and the bottom of the green flag this time. And this is what happened since. Boom, we took off, and now we are about to break out through the top. Most likely, what should happen Thursday and Friday is a breakout through the top of this flag, and onward we should go. Fantastic analysis. You cannot ask for more than that. That is just fantastic. So we go back to the daily, and we take a look at the last thing I showed you and where we should end up on Thursday. And traders, the green Omni for trading Thursday, April 16th. Remember, go back and look at the April 9th video. Look at April 9th video. We'll have these charts in there for you. The weekly charts are in April 9th video. And I drew in those fictitious bars. Please go look and you will see that happen before your eyes. Then on the 16th, today, 1 week later, we revisited it and we went up, boom, 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 and the weekly filled in that fictitious bar. So here we are. We just about touched it, and what should happen next is we should end up getting to the line and probably getting through the line Thursday and Friday. I don't think this will be a triple top. I think we will blast off right through it. But what I think is meaningless, what happens day by day, we will analyze, and that is the only call that I will give you. For now, I expect us to get through, but again, we will see and take this one day at a time. Traders, I hope these videos are helping to keep you in tune with market movement. I hope they're teaching you technical analysis, and I hope you come on down to livewithoscar.com and join me in my trading chat room. Traders, don't forget, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with that is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com.